Hello. A very, very good evening to all the Growthify community members and the non-community members as well who have joined this amazing session. So today, welcome for this quick AI learning session in which we are going to be learning about, we have started this series of quick AI learning sessions where in like 15-20 minutes, we learn about an AI use case or an AI tool, which is going to be super helpful for you maybe in your career, maybe in your business, or maybe in making more money, because that's what we are here for. We educate people on how to enhance their career, business, and income. So thank you so much for joining today's session. I hope you're super excited. Let me see who all are here. Please turn on your cameras. Let me see who all are here. Even the members and the new members, or even the non-members, please turn on your cameras. I'm always curious to see the members joining this session. So thank you so much for joining this session. Okay, I can see so many familiar faces within the community and so many unfamiliar faces as well. Welcome. Meena is giving a very beautiful smile. Thanks for that, Meena. Even Balvinder, thank you so much for that. So let's get started with today's session without any further delay. So the topic for today's session is exciting, right? I always keep on saying that for every session because AI is exciting. Every use case is so much exciting, right? The today's use case that we're going to be exploring is about discussing uh, with experts, okay, AI generated experts. Okay, imagine you can get business guidance from Elon Musk. Imagine you can get business guidance from Mukesh Ambani. Imagine you can get guidance about, say, filmmaking or acting from a renowned established Bollywood celebrity that you admire. Maybe imagine you are getting guidance from marketing, about marketing, from marketing expert, maybe from India or outside of India, like globally renowned, right? What if you can chat and get guidance with world-renowned experts? And the next step to that, even more advanced, is what if you can have a call, AI, okay, call with an AI avatar of those personalities. I know the members who might be, who are not yet part of our community, you might be wondering, such mein ye bhi ho sakta hai? Yes, we have already explored that in our community sessions, but today we're not going to be covering that. Maybe next session we'll be covering that. Today, what we're going to cover is I'm going to share with you an exact chat GPT prompt with the help of which you will be able to chat, get guidance, and expert advice on any topic from any industry expert that you admire, or any person for that matter. If you want to chat with any fictional characters as well, you can do that. Because let me tell you, one of the most interesting feature of chat GPT is it can take up a personality. It's called act as. Okay, it's called act as prompting technique, or act as feature of chat GPT. What does it mean? You see, what is chat GPT? Chat GPT is a chatbot which has got two things ekdam fundamental. If you are discussing about that, it's knowledge and intelligence, right? So ChatGPT has been trained on almost all of the publicly available internet data. It can be from websites, it can be even they have scrapped, they have even scrapped YouTube videos, blogs, articles, books, so much of content, right? And also it has got its own intelligence, right? They have been trained with so many algorithms, okay, like technical algorithms, which makes it smart. Previous to chat gpt, there were chatbots, but they were very basic, right? Like they were trained on a very small limited data, right? And they were like very basic. If you ask them out of the syllabus question, they'll hang. Okay, so no out of the syllabus question, okay, for those old chatbots. Like only ask the questions which have been, they have been trained on. But with ChatGPT, it has got, like, it is literally like God of knowledge. It has knowledge of almost everything in the world, and it is one of the smartest right now, at least as compared to other chatbots. Now, see Elon Musk. So there is so much of data about Elon Musk available on the internet. It is from his own biographies, it is from his videos, blogs, articles. People have written about him. So ChatGPT knows almost everything about Elon Musk: how he thinks, how he acts, how he speaks, what the kind of guidance does he give, right? So now, when we ask ChatGPT to take up a personality of Elon Musk, it actually takes up the personality and gives you the guidance as if it is Elon Musk. And you can ask any question related to his own life, or you want to start a business and you want to get guidance from Elon Musk, you can do that. Likewise, you can do it with any fictional characters. And in fact, we're going to be doing two use cases today. One is with Elon Musk, and another one is with Rancho from Three Idiots. Yes, a fictional character, right? So you can literally have chats with even fictional characters, because ChatGPT is so well trained on the data of so many things in the world. You will be able to, you'll be surprised with the kind of output ChatGPT gives. It's so amazing. You can chat with even Iron Man. You can chat with any fictional character of a movie, maybe Harry Potter. Okay, if you want that just for fun, right? So today we are going to be doing that. So let's get started with our today's session. I'm going to start sharing my screen, and here we go. So the use case is how to get career, business, money guidance, and maybe other topics as well from the world's greatest experts. So you'll get this document at the end of this session. So do not worry, you'll be able to use this prompt as it is. And by the way, the members who might have joined this session for the first time, okay, just a show, just a quick survey in the chat. How many of you are joining this session for the first time? Please type first in the chat section. And how many of you are, joining from so many times? Like type regular in the chat section, please. Like type regular or first in the chat section. Okay, I can see so many of you joining for the first time. Awesome. Welcome to these sessions. I hope you'll get a lot of value from this. And there are so many regular members as well. It's an amazing place to be in, right? So many curious people gathered together from all over India, and maybe some of you are outside of India, right? So let's get into the session now. Thank you so much for your responses in the chat, by the way. So here it is. I hope my screen is visible, my face is clearly visible, and my voice is clearly audible. So what you need to do is, as always, simple copy and paste, because I have done the hard work for you. I have written the prompt for all of you. You simply need to copy this prompt, go to ChatGPT, okay, and paste this prompt. You can be on a free version of ChatGPT, or you can be on a paid version. It doesn't matter, okay, for this prompt at least, okay. So the prompt is like this. I'll read it out for you so that you understand what this prompt is about. The prompt is, I want guidance from specific personalities for a few use cases or topics. I want you to ask me for the personality name and use case. So ChatGPT will ask me now, okay, Rohit, you want guidance from which personality or which expert on what topic, right? And then ChatGPT will take up the personality of that, and it will tell you exactly what personality traits, qualities that ChatGPT has, basically that character has, and then you can ask questions. So I'm going to go paste this prompt in the chat, and you don't need to do anything. You don't need to edit this prompt at all. Just copy paste, simple copy paste, Control C, Control V if you're on Windows, right? Or Command C, Command V if you're on Mac, right? And just hit enter. Now, you see, ChatGPT will ask me a very simple question. Please provide the personality name and the use case or topic. So I'll say Elon Musk. Okay. Guidance on starting a scalable and highly impactful business. Say I want to start a business, right? And I want guidance from Elon Musk directly. That's it. You just need to mention that and hit enter. Now you will see the magic of this prompt. So it is mentioning you are now Elon Musk, but it is like ChatGPT is Elon Musk, okay, right now. Okay. It is taking up that. Elon Musk, an entrepreneur, innovator. You see, ChatGPT knows data about Elon Musk. How does it know? It is trained on that data, right? You see, who has started companies like Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, Boring Company, and so many other things, and his expertise. Okay, you see, pushing the boundaries of technology, creating transformative solutions in sustainable energy, space exploration, and all of that, right? Now, this chatbot, this chat we are having right now is with literally like Elon Musk, okay, AI version of Elon Musk created under ChatGPT. You see, it is giving us the guidance. Here are some actionable steps if I really want to start a scalable and highly impactful business. Think big, but start small. Like what specifically? It is giving exact examples from Elon Musk's life. Can you see that? SpaceX began with Falcon 1 before we tackled reusable rockets. So if you know about SpaceX, now they have created rockets which can go up and come back. Okay, so they don't have to waste a rocket. They come back. They can be reused again and again. But when they started saying that you just build a first version of that, then recruit relentless talent. Like that is the one of the strategy. If you have best people working for you and along with you, you will be able to make amazing things. Be obsessive about execution, leverage technology for exponential growth, build something people love. So it has given some basic guidance. Now, along with this, ChatGPT's prompt, I had specifically mentioned chat in the prompt that give me 5 questions I can ask again. Okay, some guidelines. Okay, so 5 examples. So it has given me 5 questions. I can take, okay, for example, how do you approach decision making? I want to ask this question to Elon Musk, the chat version of Elon Musk. Okay, how do you approach decision making when resources are limited but stakes are high? right? As a business owner, it is needed almost every time, right? You need to have very good decision making skills. Now you see, the suggestion that it is giving is use first principles thinking. It's a very innovative concept. We'll not go into that today, maybe sometime later, but you can read about it or you can ask it here itself. I'll show you. Use first principles thinking or ruthless prioritizing of the tasks. For example, it has given us an example. You see, during Tesla's Model 3 ramp up, we faced several cash crunch. I personally slept in the factory to ensure we fixed bottlenecks in the production. Everything else becomes secondary to achieving efficiency, right? Test, fail, iterate fast. Amazing, formula it has given. Leverage your team, be willing to take risks, communicate, and all of that. Now, for example, you see this one. Some of you know this, some of you might not know this. When ChatGPT gives you the response, if you want to ask a subsequent question about a particular text within that answer, you just need to select that. For example, you see, just like in WhatsApp reply, if you want to say there are 3 4 messages, you want to ask the next person about a particular message, say message number 2, you just do that, like reply for this, right? You just do that, something like that. For example, I want to ask what is first principles thinking. You see this icon has come up, quote, right? I'm going to click on this. Now you see, what's this? Explain simply as if I am 5. Okay, like literally, I'm just going to ask it to explain like I'm 5 years old. Explain it to me so simply. What is first principles thinking? You see, so simple, okay? And you will be able to understand what is first principles thinking. Imagine you have a big Lego set, the toys, right? You construct a big stuff out of that, and you want to build something cool like a rocket. Instead of using the rocket that's already built in the instructions, you take it apart into tiny pieces and think, what can I make if I use these new pieces in a new way? So you get instruction manual in the toys, right? Your kids must have done that. So you follow that. That's like normal traditional thinking. Now you break everything and see if you can create a completely new model, a rocket model out of the pieces that you have, the most fundamental pieces that you have. So you see, first principles is thinking like that. Instead of copying what other people did, you break things down into their simplest parts and think what's possible, what's innovative that can be created out of this, right? So that's first principles thinking. So like this, you can keep chatting with this version of AI, Elon Musk, and you'll get the answers. For example, I'll prove it to you. I'll just ask, why did you start Tesla? Tell me specific incident which inspired you to start Tesla. Okay. So I'm asking, tell me what motivated you to start Tesla? You see why I started Tesla. You see, it is giving us the reference from a data of 2000. You see, specific movement that really struck with me happened in early 2000s when I was reading extensively about climate change and global energy consumption. I came across a shocking data showing transportation was one of the biggest contributors for the environmental damage. And that's when he started thinking, how can we optimize this? Can you see that? So it's literally Elon Musk in that chat, okay? Like data of Elon Musk to which you are chatting. Interesting. So like this, you can use this prompt for chatting with any personality, any expert on any topic. Okay. Now let's have some fun. Let's have some funny example, which will make things very clear for you. So I'm going to open a new chat. Let's use personality name as Rancho, okay, a fictional character. So it will help you understand how ChatGPT takes up the personality. So I'm just going to say Rancho from Three Idiots movie, guidance on living a successful life. Okay, something like that. So now ChatGPT will take up that personality of a Rancho. Can you see that? I just said Rancho, by the way. You see, it has picked up a name, Rancho Das Shamal Das Chanchat. Okay, the original name from the movie, right? A free-spirited genius and unconventional thinker, right? Who is featured in new Three Idiots, Rancho's guidance. You see, all is well. Can you see that? ChatGPT knows the stuff. It has taken up the personality. It is telling all is well. Isn't just a phrase. It's a mindset. In the movie, he keeps on saying that, right? All is well. All is well. Do what you love, not what others expect of you. Learn for the joy of it, not for the grades. You see, he has been saying that so many times, right? Help others grow, right? Then it is telling me who were your friends, okay? And what guidance did you give them? Okay, let's see if it knows that, right? So he gave guidance to, who was that? Raju and Farhan, right? So what guidance did he give? For Farhan, he is like following his own passion and like that, right? So let's see. Can you see that? Farhan Qureshi. Can you see that? Guidance I gave. Follow your heart, not your fears. Precisely, right? It has taken up that personality. Then Raju. For Raju, stop fearing the future. You remember that incident in the movie where he throws all those rings and all of that and just focuses on the work rather than, fearing, so many gods and so many other things that happen, right? Well, Chatur, can you see that? Chatur, even the reference of Chatur. You see, life isn't a race. Learn with curiosity, right? Interesting, right? So you can ask, you see now, this proves that ChatGPT has taken the personality, right, of Rancho. And now you can ask anything. You can take any fictional character, maybe your favorite movie character as well, and keep interacting, ask for the life lessons, anything like that. For example, if I would like to do with Tony Stark of Iron Man, I can do that. If I want to do it with, say, Mukesh Ambani, if I want to do it with, because they take up that personality. Okay. So this is a chat based prompt which you can use for speaking and getting guidance from any expert in the world like this. So there is another way, by the way. There is a tool called Character AI. We'll not explore it today. We have explored it sometimes in our community sessions as well. But today we'll not cover that. In fact, using this tool, you can have a call with those AI versions of people, like AI version of Elon Musk, AI version of XYZ personality. You can literally speak on a call on this website with those people and get guidance real time. Okay, about that. We are not going to be discussing that today because it's a quick AI learning session for one use case. We have explored that use case. Now, let me know in the chat section, please. Let me know in the chat section, please. Which personality would you love to get guidance from, and what guidance would you love to get it? Let me know. Say, for example, I asked Elon Musk for business. What about you? Let me know in the chat section, please. Let me know in the chat section and share it with everyone so that others can also see. What would you love? Okay, Ratan Tata ji, right? Many of you are saying Ratan Tata ji, right? Please do that, and you will be surprised that the kind of wisdom that ChatGPT gives as if it is Elon Musk, sorry, Ratan Tata ji, Abdul Kalam, Narendra Modi ji, right? Ratan Tata ji. Then Jay Shankar, Ramanujan, right? Interesting. There is a movie of Ramanujan which I recently saw. Very beautiful movie. Maybe you can just take a look at that. Virat Kohli, Anand Mahindra, Mother Teresa, Ratan Tata ji, Swami Vivekananda ji, right? Robert Kiyosaki for the Rich Dad Poor Dad, right? APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Then uh, Vivek Bindra, okay, interesting. Jesus, interesting. Okay, Watchpage, Zuckerberg, okay. John Dispenza, I don't know who this is. I'm sorry about that. Annie Besant, Sandeep, right? Rohit Mote, okay. I am not sure if it will give you that much as of now. But by the way, we have created our own AI chatbot, my own AI chatbot, a virtual, video AI-based chatbot, which we are releasing in the month of January for all our Diamond members. And you'll be able to talk with that like unlimited, like chat with me and talk with me like that, right? Interesting. Sudha Murthy ji, Elon Musk, Modi ji, Jay Shankar, Sachin Tendulkar, Mukesh Ambani, Sri Krishna. Interesting. Please have fun. And you will be surprised that you'll be getting some amazing insights, okay, out of this. So make sure that you're learned now today and you'll be able to, get some amazing insights. I'm going to share this prompt with all of you as promised. What you can do is you can bookmark this and here it is. Take a look at my screen, please. What you simply need to do, I'm going to revise quickly. Go to this document. There is this topic, how to get career expert guidance. Copy the prompt. I'll just mention, copy the entire prompt and use in ChatGPT. That's it. Okay, simple instruction. Copy this entire thing, paste in ChatGPT, get the output. So the link is in the chat section. I'm pasting it right away. You can access the notes. For the new members who might have joined it for the first time, you can refer our old session notes as well, which we did last week. And make sure you come tomorrow as well, because tomorrow we'll again meet together for another session, for a quick 15-20 minutes learning session. And with that, we have come to the end of quick AI learning session. I hope it was interesting for you. How was it? How was it? Let me know in the chat section, please. How was it? Was it useful? Was it useful? Will it be useful, by the way, when you implement it? Will it be useful? Will it be useful? Interesting. Empowered, right? Amazing. I personally use this prompt a lot of the times. I would not say every day, but a lot of the times when I need guidance on a, about from some expert or some personality like that. Okay. So please take a look at that. Nalini, please send us an email if you have any question, if you need support with anything. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you tomorrow for another quick session. For the people who joined first time, you might be wondering, kya hua hai? Like, literally in 15-20 minutes, it's gone. Yes, that's the thing. Every day we meet together for a quick AI learning session. One use case, we cover, we learn, implement. That's it. Every day, keep improving and keep growing, right? Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow at 8 p.m.